Fiti ni asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic. Za na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much GH. Hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
For any adofo no mema obibia akwaba edi eba too much GHS so muni aba ekwesi kapa ena motimini na meji meja say dia de mo amunim no eye Ghana wahala dwumedie ena mede ebesom etiefo ene ahwefo na mo amunim se ensem no de kochi ekobrema da edika ena yede ebremu na nsem aba betom aposo chese me da meti nsem no eye mesere eya mesire papa he wo refon sa na wa hwe wodi o wo refon sa na wa hwe wodi papa because the wodi you obi no kan hu sem wo bi di ebi ebeyo abaya bi enede wo den trene kase ama eye slay queens na nyum bi ba so say an wodi obi boy anede udi obi boy a ede na so umom say ye je wodi e dia eya wo hwe se waji nkrofo dia agi nkrofo dia na ne dia fe de wo benya handsome one na ebia maya na ni bebo mo ho so na tese wa mo won na ansha na asem afana se na hwan ho asem ene ne de mu ni aba me di ebetu dwemu mayembonra ensem no emu. Stay off my man's DM because I will be the one replying you. Xandy Kamel wants slay queen. We any ensema ababetu eja eye Xandy Kamel. What abetu eja ebo eye slay queens koko. So woman chu woman every ne boy. Ne man bema wo ba be wanwo. Ai me slay queens woman chu woman na muso nka woman mo yo madwen so woman be DM no. Woman be WhatsApp no. Woman be Twitter no. So the baby I would be for social media handouts be out by what say, wo be Sunday high, oh be Sunday cute, ye be at yama a yen man le de any wo buakai who say one no Xandy Kamel, one no any bear reply wo, way any and someone a to a Jana said the mom name Xandy Kamel, a will be or ye Kuma Wood actress. Now nipa and I said bear man and Saturn is so, Nensa atone so Angel TV Sports presenter Kaninja and abrantie fe son no chese utimu so oposi wo sita ye ka bema sa abrantie no ho asem e na make na mo be ka ya Xandy Kamel edi ne awodan e na abrantie yi sending so many love e de ema no e che do wo de ma no ne ye ma chese wo ma no wo mu ni boyfriends no afi de na wo mo crampo no o ma toba ha womu se womo tina party na se womo sign akofie na we party yi ekọ so wie yi a womo age womo ni obi akofie na afedie abaya yi se ade won se wudu birthday wi a obeda se womo we hye woni yi na wode ne new boyfriend yi and answer ne man to be yi a picture eto ho ne caption e chen say the watch letter e de akwa akoma ne ma me se ni teacher de ntia wa ma school de ni obi entimi enkyere na eho ena sa kokobo na wode mas lequins no ekoko pie mu na abusuafo moma yenkoni ngongotie eye ne nsem a wode etu edwa emra wo posti eye ne man no eye ye nua be ma kaninja no wode ne to ho nsem a wo tro ewo asiem. The only thief who stole my heart and kept it safe under the better place at Kaninja 1. Please keep my heart because I enjoy being the first lady of the Ninja Empire at Yakatre and I was a library. Anyways, Queens, send your message to at Kaninja 1 and I will be the one reading it for you. Why? That's all you know. But with at Kaninja, he is mine. And he isn't willing to reply or chat any slay queen. Why? We any and someone yes Xandy Kamel what the to a Janet is a sloppy a woman. Why jump Crawford the aja no process no man can come and no fro say and ya say best is still one a brabo one. A mom says Xandy Kamel a mother of one wow ai enti se si ya wanya wo bia nipa no aso ni mu se kosua no wonye na dwen so wo ma wo ba bia ba je because be mema pa de obon wan for de ya no money nhye da nye ho na obi anya no a na ni je ne ho de a ene no won toto na se kurant wo de kokobo e ma slay queen se hey wo be ye wa dwen se wo be chat na wo be DM eye kenka ninja 1 kai hu se eye me Xandy Kamel me na me reply e de am because eye ono ne man no wonye ready say wo be reply and wo be chatty any slay queen way any eye ensem one eye Xandy Kamel e de tu dwa e ma slay queen na Ghana for say ayo se wo hu wo si ho no ma wo si so a wo fa nkrofo e boyfriends wo je nkrofo kunu no wo twe nkrofo kunu no mpena no na wonim se mere bi baba bedura won so no ye bibi ebe ye wo de kokobo na eba to adwum kura to adwum na nya de se wo mu bedi yam wo mu hu no wo mu behia no face to face no ma wuki up akwa hia wo hotel bi abra wo kura mpo no hu enti sam hwene na wo bone de eja kura na enko baabia enya de se ebedru baabia gate na no mpo endru na mpo kire se ewradam ho abowra slay queens a wo mo dem wo mo ensunti we de ensem a wakagu enfram enya de se ekọ baabia ebinu won so se abaye na do bia ka cho se wo pe wo boy no sa ninja guy no wo bia mpe no ai wo bia mpe ni ti me ha ho fa wa de we opa toton se de opa bia opa ache toton no a de opa so ye no bia ye no wo bia emfa ho after all wo na wo pe wo na wa baba ye de wa baba fa wo because bon one day enya de se ye pe ebusuan no man koti adwentre no ebi Michael de o de ebe o se king ninja with face powder please. You can have him why no one is interested. You are a born one and no one wants you. You saw favor in him and he's interested in you. So keep him. No one is going to take him from you. And also so Edia what they about say I branch also that one in party. One or the any for baby fan will be ampeno. Wo born one ye and I want your favor when any more wapel. And to wear a privilege cry at the amount you can compose and cover bond training. Because when you will be a one way, you know, you find a chain while we call into a when you know, come on to Nakatina. Or by our budget one side, they will be interested. I will a year ninja who 84 year. Yenya a year Tamaklo, and so a dear what they buy year or say, wow, that's my man King Kaninja. Wow, Xandy Kamel, so lucky to have that man or also so edia what they buy no ye nya ma mike edia what they buy say kuman I greet you this what 19 should pass quick and King Kaninja will also start on also so edia what they buy no I say Xandy Kamel we dey mechia we dey mekuma ba kopa no meto so anu masori sa wan 19 or patch say COVID-19 entwa muntem said the bear King Kaninja 1 and so ebe to aso na je se wo mo aware no ebe hihye so na de anije abre wo mo ye nwa bi so ede ode eba ye ne di enka wo se as you said you want to be the first lady of the Ninja Empire because you are already a mother of one and no one is willing to have you. So he is the one. Maybe because he's also having a son somewhere. That's the reason why you people click. So don't even bother yourself giving warnings to slay queens. So Edia what they ever and no. Mommy a chan and so Edia what they ever was saying. Whether you instruct slay queens or not, they will still hook up with your guy. If it's whether you send warning to slay queens or not, they will still hook up with your guy. It's your guy that you have to give this warning to, that you shouldn't open up his DM for all these slay queens. And also so at the end of say training na wo dey bo wo mo no wo pa fama wo bia enya de say slay queens no wo mo be ha ho wa kra wo boy na eba be hook up ene wo mo eba betenetina ento onu mom ene wo so de kokobo ne bono say no ho wa makwan say an slay queens ye na say training na de ma slay queens ndi jai na embo emefom abaya ne say de wo mu say mreko wo se wonya be ma wo ne ne bobra enti no say de wa ye na je say de wonya no wo som wo bona boso mu den a one place wo bia ebeba ababa abagino enti we de wo de kokobo slay queen say we wa wonim na wonim na obeye wadwen se wo betu nan ede asi ye kenka ninja ni DM so so kwa kodi yam ne de ne kai hunu se wono Xandy Kamel wono na wode ye reply no ebe ma na no na chese ense we beto ho na ye mesre ye me chese ye me tre mi hu de menka wo so ya na wo je nkrofo boy no de we hu no wo unya abie de afede wo hu sane wo se wo bo wo de hu eban abusua we yenjano na won kan de ye ne da na say sequence no mon start no won spark up no mon kodi am no so no mon ko chat no mon hunu say wono de wo kan krampo no won tin say wodogo bi enu abe abusua for adwintre bi a wo no wo betimi da to eja say ye panyi no bi nya bi da kora de obi aye bi da enti panifo no mutimu di ma adwintre eba futo bi a wo say wo de ma abaya no enam be ma wanya na nu to wo bontrene no monfa entu eja emfa emaye e wo too much your comment section ho ebiemo subscribe beta wonya ye nso a na me abel ne so e wo ho efa emaye se de upload video bia unso betimi enya notification e wo phone so wo laptop ana say wo baby a wo na watimi ache wadwen wa hye de mo obusuafo na emrepa no mekenka madwenche no e de atu eja e de amamu midin ene epia sikapa dasene ye besa ne hia.